Hello friends, you're welcome back to our video this morning on the Chima Dedicated Video channel. I want to show you how in this video how to make instant deposits, successful deposits on Oree Solar. Oree Solar is an online earning platform. So when you are making deposits, there are some things you have to consider. The first consideration is what investment pack am I choosing? Because that's what will show or determine your deposits. Now let me show you the different investment packages. Look at it. The first investment pack, the VIP one, is 4,000 naira. The second one is 10,000. Third one, VIP 3 is 30,000. VIP 4 is 90. VIP 5 is 200,000. VIP 6 500k, and all that. So having seen all of this, you know what you want to go for. So assuming, for instance, you want to go for VIP 3, which is 30,000 naira. So what do? You now go to your deposit. You go to the deposit. You look at the buttons down here: home, investment, my team, menu. Click on menu. You click on menu. You are going to find investment here. Look at it. So this deposit, you are going to click on that deposit. You click on deposit. Now, immediately you click on deposit, the system generates the deposit address. You can copy it. This account number. This is the bank name, Money Point, and this is the account name, Oree Solar UK. Just copy it, make your payments. Assuming that pack of 30k, you have gone to make payments. Yes, having made payments, well-dated payments. Now come here and select bank transfer. Put the amount you have, paid, and put the sender's name, because this is where the verification comes in. You need to put that sender's name, the name you use in sending that particular money. Now, while doing this, you have to understand this, because if you do the wrong thing, there's going to be problem. Assuming that the money you paid through POS, and you paid through POS, most times they didn't put you as the sender's name. It's the POS agent's name. That's what you're going to write there. It's very possible that you don't have an app, or you don't do mobile transfer, and someone else help you to make the payment. It is the person's name, because that's what the system is going to track. Okay, you are saying you have made payment. Let's see this name. We'll track and see all the money we have received. Do we have any such name in that list? That's it. So you don't just go and do anything and write your name when you're not the one that put it. So sender's name is which account name send that money to Oree Solar account. Please, that's what they are going to do. Immediately you are done that, click on proceed to payments. Every other thing will follow through. I don't want to, put the system into trouble now by putting, because since I'm not making any deposits. Otherwise, I could have written my name here, click on proceed to. But once you get to this point, everything that comes up is easy. And the system acknowledges that you have made that, but then there's going to be a verification. Because if there's no verification, somebody can just come. I can decide to put 30k and I put my name, click on proceed to payments, and expect that system is going to fund me. That's fraudulent. So the system will still take time, verify, and after verification, then it will be confirmed that you have made an investment. And once that is confirmed, you are going to see your money, your balance somewhere here. Let me show you where your balance will be. Exactly here, where you see this balance here now. That's where your balance. Okay, what you see there is not this. What you are going to see is here. Your deposit will appear here. You can see 15,000 naira. This is where your deposit will appear. Immediately your deposit appear there, you are not yet done. You don't just go and sleep. You say, thank God, I've deposited 30k. It's now reading. Nothing is reading, because you've not yet invested. All you need to go is go back to investment. Choose that pack you want to choose. The reason why you deposited 30k. Choose that VIP 3. Click on investment and invest, and the system will ask you to confirm you are sure you're doing this. You say okay, you confirm it, and immediately your 15k or 30k will be cut off. From the following day now, you start earning. It is the withdrawal earning that appears on this balance. So when you see me here now, I can withdraw this. That's exactly how to make deposits on Oree Solar. If you are new to this, you've not heard about Oree Solar, or you are not part of it, I will encourage you to sign up. The cheapest package is 4K, so you can start with that. You can use my link to sign up, and let's be in the same team. If you have further questions, feel free to ask me using the comment box, or also contact me on my WhatsApp number that you can see in this video description area. If you are new to this channel, I encourage you to subscribe, because we'll release videos like this on how to make money online, and you will benefit so much being part of what we do here. If you like this video, don't fail to give us a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching. God bless you.